Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Loren. I have completed my master degree in forensic psychology from National Forensic Sciences University, India. Now, I'm going to talk about the origin of forensic psychology. The word of forensic originated from the Latin word means forensis, which is means of the forum, and was used to describe a location in ancient Rome. During the time of the Romans, a criminal charge meant presenting the case before the public. Both the person accused of the crime and the accuser would give speeches based on their side of the story. The individual with the best argumentation would determine the outcome of case. From this context, involved the meaning of forensic psychology. The role of the forensic psychologist is really pretty simple and straightforward. Forensic psychologists assist the legal system. Not only is there confusion uh, in the general public about forensic psychology, but there is even debate among psychologists about the nature of forensic psychologists. This debate has occurred not only in the United States, where reform in mental health law and increasing pressure from the courts for clinical testimony have led to growth in the field, but also in Canada, Europe, and the other parts of the world. Broadly speaking, forensic psychology refers to any application of psychology to legal system. However, many refer to this broader field as psychology and the law or psycholegal studies, while specifying the forensic psychology focuses on the application of clinical psychology to the legal system. This narrower definition of forensic psychology exclude topics such as eyewitness identification or cognitive psychology, polygraphs, or psychological psychology, uh, physiological psychology, jury behavior, social psychology, and the testimony of children in court or developmental psychology. These other non-clinical aspects have a powerful impact on the legal system and are extremely important in the psychological study of the law, but they are beyond the scope of the current text. And if you are interested about psychology and law, you should check other sources related to the aspects of psychology and law. In using this definition of forensic psychology, we must also differentiate the practice of forensic psychology from forensic psychiatry, not also clinical and counseling psychology. So we can say forensic psychology, it's so different. It's not forensic psychiatry and not clinical and also not counseling psychologists, because clinical and counseling psychologists are often confused with psychiatrists. Although both psychologists and psychiatrists are trained to assist the individuals with mental illnesses and emotional difficulties in general, there are significant differences. Psychiatrists are medical doctors and obtain MDs or DOs. Psychologists typically obtain PhDs or CDs or psychology doctor. As a result, psychiatrists are licensed to prescribe medication and emphasize this aspect of patient care. Traditionally, psychologists have not focused on the administration of medication. Specifically, psychotropic medication and instead have focused on the psychological assessments and treatment of the mental ill. So now the conclusion is forensic psychology totally different from clinical psychiatry. In other words, forensic psychology is the study of the integration of psychology and law. It is a new blend of two old professions, psychology, which is the study of human behavior, and law, which is the study of the how people rule themselves in social situation. So this is my presentation about the origin of forensic psychology. I'll continue to discuss the history of forensic psychology at next meeting. I promise to declare the truth. Bye bye.